In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Redbubble design in just about 5 minutes. This guide is perfect for artists and designers who utilize Redbubble to sell their creations, but need to remove outdated or unwanted designs from their portfolio. First off, let's head over to the Redbubble website. For those new to the platform, Redbubble is an incredible marketplace for independent artists to sell their artwork on a variety of products, ranging from stickers and t-shirts to posters and phone cases. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy for artists to manage their work, but sometimes you may need to declutter your portfolio or remove designs that no longer represent your artistic direction. After arriving at the Redbubble homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Spot the login button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking it will take you to the login page where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Here you'll input your email first. It's important to use the email associated with your Redbubble account to avoid any login issues. Next, you'll be asked to enter your password. Remember, keeping your password secure and unique to Redbubble helps protect your artistic work and personal information on the platform. After entering your password, click the login button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate back to the home page or click on the Awesome Products Designed by Independent Artists link if you're not automatically redirected. This will take you to a page where you can explore other artists' work as well as access your own. Now, finding your personal workspace on Redbubble is crucial for managing your designs. Look for your profile icon, typically located at the top right part of the page, and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear offering various options. Among these options, you'll find Manage Portfolio. Clicking this will take you directly to your portfolio where all your uploaded designs are displayed. Within your portfolio, take a moment to browse through your designs and decide which ones you want to delete. Redbubble makes it simple to manage your designs, and once you've made your decision, click on the cogwheel icon associated with the specific design you wish to remove. This action will open a settings menu for that design. In this menu, you will see various options, but we're focusing on the delete option. Clicking on delete initiates the process of permanently removing your design from Redbubble. It's always good to pause here and make sure you're certain about deleting the design, as this action is irreversible. After clicking delete, Redbubble may ask you for confirmation to ensure you didn't accidentally select the option. Confirm your choice, and voila, your design will be removed from your Redbubble portfolio. It's as straightforward as that. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to efficiently remove a design from your Redbubble account. Whether you're culling your portfolio for a fresh start, removing designs that haven't sold, or simply streamlining your collection, this process ensures your Redbubble portfolio remains exactly how you want it. Remember, keeping your portfolio updated and relevant is key to attracting potential buyers and making sure your artistic offerings reflect your current style and capabilities. Redbubble is a fantastic platform for showcasing your art to the world, and managing your portfolio effectively is an essential part of your success on the platform. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Managing your online portfolio doesn't have to be a daunting task, and I'm here to help make your Redbubble experience as enjoyable and productive as possible. Happy creating, and see you in the next video.